All right, now we are in the Dubai Mall, one of the biggest malls probably in the world. And honestly, this place is freaking massive. It is like an entire city. Any kind of store, luxury brand, food, restaurants, like everything is here. It is insane. So definitely a place you gotta visit while you're here in Dubai. The Dubai Mall is a massive shopping complex right in the heart of downtown Dubai. This mall is over 1 million square meters and has over 1,200 retail stores, plus an ice skating ring, an aquarium, a waterfall, and even its own Chinatown. The mall is considered the second largest mall in the world, right after the Iran Mall. The Dubai Mall is so huge you might need several days just to explore every single store that it has. Honestly, there's so many amazing things here and it's so luxurious. Pretty much if you can't find it here, it probably doesn't exist. Keep in mind that the mall is open daily from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. and it is a great place to escape the Dubai heat. So you'll find tons of people here at all hours of the day. Basically, this is one of the great things to do in Dubai. Right outside the mall, you can find the Dubai Fountain, which is the largest fountain in the world and blasts water over 500 feet into the air. So it's pretty crazy, man. It almost makes the Bellagio fountains in Las Vegas look like a kiddie pool. A choreographed light show plays every night on the half hour from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it's definitely worth checking out. You can also find the entrance to the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, right inside the Dubai Mall. We actually just shared our entire experience from visiting the top and shared all of our travel tips in our latest Burj Khalifa travel vlog, so be sure to check that out.